Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over another Net 30 vendor trade line to build business credit. This video is not going to be too long. I just want to put this one out there for those that are looking for more trade lines that report to the business credit bureaus. So as you can see on the screen, it is Zoro. Zoro.com, Zoro.com. I'll have the link in the description below. They are a subsidiary of Granger. So if you have a Granger account, credit line with Granger, then you probably will get approved for Zoro. They sell storage, workspace like shelves, tools, machinery, outdoor stuff. It's basically like an industrial supply company, similar to Granger, like I said. They offer right here net 30 payment terms. There's an application on their website if you create an account, but the best way to get approved is first to register an account. Just here where it says sign in. Instead of signing in, it's going to be register. So you're going to register, put all your business information in there. That's correct with Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, and Secretary of State. Have all that information correct, and then after you have that set up, then go and call them at 855-289-9676 and tell them that you want to apply for the net 30 payment terms. After you do that, if you get approved, they likely will approve you right there on the spot. May ask you some questions. You just give them your business information. One thing they might do, I haven't had an account with them in years, but I haven't tried for the newer business or don't have an account with them for my newer business. But one thing that one subscriber showed me when they applied, they said to place a prepaid order for 1 month. A couple orders, 1 to 2 orders with a credit card. After you do that, then they will approve you for a net 30 account. So keep that in mind. They could be like Uline. Just depends on how many business trade lines you have. So just keep that in mind. Also, they report to Dun and Bradstreet currently monthly, and it needs to be an order over $50. And I'm not sure if they actually are still reporting to Experian Business or not. I've got mixed information about that, but they definitely report to Dun and Bradstreet. So if you're looking to build up business credit on trade lines with Dun and Bradstreet, this may be an option for you. Again, like I tell you guys in a lot of videos, don't get these trade lines if you can't find something useful. Their prices aren't bad, really. Pretty affordable prices, but if you can't find something that's useful for your business, then don't get this trade line. It's up to you if you could use stuff they have or stuff they sell, but you can see they have like tape and fasteners, food supply, restaurant supplies. So if you're in the food business or shipping, transportation business, they sell pretty much all kinds of stuff for all different types of businesses. So yeah, that's all for this video. It's just a short little video I wanted to put out there about this trade line because a few of you guys have asked me to put out a video about Zoro. Like I said, I'll have the link in the description below. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I put out videos pretty much almost daily now, so you definitely don't want to miss out on those coming up. I have so many new videos coming up in the coming days. Anyways, that is all for today. Until next time, you guys take care. Smash that thumbs up. All right, bye-bye.